Let's go to page 217 and start with number 1. So this is evaluation. So number 1 is 4b. So whenever you substitute, you put in parentheses. Okay. So this is equal to 4. Now you have to substitute. So it tells you b equal to -5. So you substitute, again, whatever you substitute, you put in parentheses. And this is equal to -20. Okay. Number 3. Okay, you have 2a minus 10. Okay, so you can, so a equal to 3, so you substitute. Okay, then you work it out. So this will equal to 6, and this equal to negative. So you have to multiply before you subtract, right? So it'd be -4. Okay. Okay, number 5. You got b squared. Okay. So over here the b is -5 square, and so the square is for the whole parentheses, so everything in the parentheses you have to square, so negative square is positive, 5 square is 25. Okay, okay, number 7, you have -y squared, so equal to negative, again whatever you substitute put in parentheses, y is -7. Okay. Now the square is only for the parentheses, so this would be negative, and this would be, whole thing would be 49, and that's it. Okay, number 9. You got 3y squared. Okay, so y is -7, and this will equal to 3. Now this means multiply, right? So 3 times 49. 147. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 11. Okay, you have 2a minus 3b. Okay, so get your substitution. So a equal to 3, and b equal to -5. Okay. Okay, so go and work it out. So this would be 6, and this would be plus 15, right? You have to do the multiplication before you do the subtractions. But negative times negative give you positive, and this becomes 21. Okay. Okay, 13. You got x minus y minus 2b. So substitute. So notice I write it out, so I don't want to keep looking back at the book, and it's next to it, so easier to substitute. So y is -7 minus 2 times b is -5. Okay, so again, first let's get rid of parentheses. So this would be a 4, this would be a +7, and this would be +10. Right? So again, to get rid of parentheses, you multiply by the what is in front. And so everything's all addition, so you can just go and add. So this would become 11 plus 10, and it's equal to 21. Okay, 15, you got 3b minus ab plus xy. Okay, so b is -5, a is 3, b is -5 plus x is 4, and y equal to -7. Again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. Okay, and so now you can work it out. So this is like multiplication, so it'll be -15, and this become plus -15 plus negative times negative is plus, right? Plus 15, and this would be -28, and so this would cancel out. So answer would be just -28. Okay, 17, we have x squared minus y squared. Okay, so over here the x is 4, y is -7. Okay, so let's go and square that. 16 minus, this would be a 49, and so this will equal to -33. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 19, we have 4 plus 3 times x plus y. Okay, so x is equal to 4, y equal to -7. Okay, so this is the big parentheses out here. Okay, so again, let's go and work this out. So this becomes -3. And so 4 plus -3 will give me 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait, double check something. I need to, something is not right. Okay, oh, forgot the 3 over here. Like okay, so missing a 3, so it'd be 3 times -3. Okay, so I have to back up a little bit. So this is equal to 4 plus -9. Okay, and so this will equal to -5. There we go. So that's why it's important to copy things down, line it up, it will cut down on mistakes. And if you make a mistake, it's easy to catch. Okay, so let's substitute. So A equal to 3, B equal to -5, minus 3 times C is -1. Okay, so let's go and work out the parentheses. So this will give me 8, and this will give me -3 times -1 will give me +3. Okay. Then after that, I have to do the multiplication before I do the addition, and this is equal to 19. Okay. Okay, 23, got 3x squared minus 10x plus 5. Okay, so x equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so first let's go and do the square. So this becomes 3 times 16 minus 10 times 4 plus 5. Right, this means multiplication. So multiply, so it'll be 48, multiply minus 40 plus 5. And so this will give me 8, and this will give me 13. Okay. Okay, 25 is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a equal to 3, b equal to -5. So again, when you're doing the substitution, just do substitution. Don't try to substitute and try to work things out. Okay, you only do substitution only. Do one step at a time. It will cut down a lot of careless mistakes. Okay, the next step is let's go and do the square. We can do one step at a time, and this will give me 25. Okay, so we do the square, and then we do the multiplication. And this will give me 39, and this will give me 64. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, yeah, a minus b squared. So a equal to 3, b equal to -5. Okay, so again, we have to work out a group, right? The group comes before the square. So if you remember your group, the steps. Okay, so this will becomes 8. Okay, do that first, and this becomes 64. Okay, 29. You have 3x over y plus b. Okay, so x is equal to 4, and y equal to -7, and b equal to -5. Okay, so let's go and do each group. So on the top, you get 12. On the bottom, okay, so when you add, same sign, you add a number together, and you take the sign of the higher number, it give you negative. And so this will give you a -1. Okay, 31. Here, 2c minus a over 2b. So c equal to -1, a equal to 3. Again, only do one step at a time. So you only do substitution only. So substitute first before you do anything else. Now you can work out the parentheses to be -2 minus 3 over -10. And this will give you -5 over -10. And this will equal to 1/2. Okay. Okay, you have 2 times a minus 6 plus 3 times b plus 7. Okay, let's substitute. So a equal to 3, b equal to -5. Okay, so let's work these things out. This means multiply, so this become -3. Again, this means multiply, so this will become +2. Okay, then work it out, so this will become -6 plus 6, and this will equal to 0. Okay, 35. We have a minus b minus c plus x. Okay, so a equal to 3, b equal to -5, c equal to -1, x equal to 4. Okay. So first let's work out let's take care of all the parentheses. So be -5, and this will becomes, so this is minus, and this becomes 3. Okay, so first step, get rid of all the parentheses. Next step, get rid of all the bracket. So same sign, you add, and this will give you -8. Okay, this negative is from here, this negative is from here. And so this becomes plus, right? So it becomes 11. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm writing all these things down, okay? So that way I don't have to look back and forth. Okay, number 37, you have E plus F over E times F. Okay, so this is equal to, so E is -1, F equal to 3. Okay, so you have to do each group. So the top group will give me 2, the bottom group will give me -3, and that's it. Now you can leave the negative on the bottom. Usually you leave on the top, but it doesn't matter. You can leave on the bottom. That's fine. Okay. Okay, number 39. You have 1 plus g, the whole thing square, minus 1 over h. Okay, so g equal to -5. H equal to -4. Okay, so first let's get rid of the parentheses inside. So this would become -4. And then from here, you go ahead and get rid of the final parentheses. So you got 16 minus 1 over -4. So you're going to get 15 over -4. Okay. let's go to the next one, 41. Okay, you have 2e minus bracket f minus parentheses 3k minus h parentheses bracket. Okay, so I can substitute everything in there. So e is -1, f equal to 3, and k equal to 0, and h equal to -4. Okay, first let's get rid of all the parentheses. So it's -2 minus, this would be 3 minus. Okay, so this would be just 0, right? 3 times 0 is 0, so it would be just minus, this would be +4. Okay. Okay, next step, let's go and get a bracket. So this will give me -1. And so this become +1, so it be become -1. Okay. Okay, 43. You have g minus square root of g squared minus 4eh. Okay, let's substitute. So g is -5. So -5 squared minus 4. E is -1, h equal to -4. Okay, so first let's take care of the parentheses. So this is -5 minus square root of -5 squared would be 25. Okay, and then after that do this part. Okay, next part is going to multiply. This would be 25 minus become minus, and this would give me 16. And so it would be -5 minus square root of 9. Okay, and then now I can square. Again, this acting as a grouping symbol. So it become -3, and this will give me -8. Okay. Okay, so number 45. You got 3x squared z. So 3, x equal to 1/2, and z equal to 3/8. Okay. Okay, so first let's go and do this part. So it'll be 3 times, when you square that, you get 1/4 and 3/8. Okay. And then after you simplify this part, so this is equal to 3/4 divided by 3/8. Okay. Now, if you have not learned the complex fraction yet, what you do is just go and do the dividing. Okay. So this is equal to 3/4 divided by 3/8. Okay. So again, this means division. Then you have to do the changing. You have to do the flipping, right? Change into multiplication and flip it over, and then this will cancel out, and this cancel out, so answer equal to 2. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 47. You have x plus y plus z squared. So x is 1/2. Plus y is -3/4, plus z is 3/8. Okay, so this one we have to get into common denominator. So that's how you add fractions. Okay, so from here to here, you have to make into 1/2. You have to multiply by 4, right? So it becomes 4/8. This one you have to multiply by 2, so it becomes -6. This one you don't have to do anything. And now you can combine all this together. So 4 minus 6 is -2 plus 3 equal to 1. Okay, and square. So now you can square. So 1 squared is 1, 8 squared is 64. Okay, and that's That's it.